Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by charging the Astro A50 to over 50%, then power cycle both base and headset. This clears transient glitches. Next, open the Astro Command Center, check firmware and note any available updates, because outdated firmware often causes static. Make sure the base is seated in USB and optical ports, and that cables are firm. Loose connections create noise. Once done, leave the headset paired but powered off while you update software, so the base can install changes cleanly. You now update firmware in the Astro Command Center. Follow prompts and do not unplug during the process. After the update, set your PC or console audio format to 48K HZ or 44. 1K HZ at 16-bit or 24-bit, mismatched sample rates produce artifacts. In Windows, disable audio enhancements and turn off exclusive mode to prevent apps from changing settings. Also, check mixer routing. Ensure game and chat channels aren't duplicated, because routing conflicts can introduce static. You finish by checking interference. Move phones, Wi-Fi routers, and microwaves 1 to 2 meters away, since RF noise can bleed into the headset. Then swap the USB port and cable. Test the base on another PC or console to isolate the issue. If static continues, perform a factory reset on both base and headset and repair them, because pairing corruption sometimes causes noise. If problems persist, try grounding nearby power strips. Ungrounded power can add hum or static, and that often solves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.